If you're encountering an API key invalid error on Amplitude, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you identify and fix the problem effectively. Step 1. Verify your API key. Check the API key you are using in your application. Ensure that it matches exactly with the one provided in your Amplitude project settings, including any case sensitivity. Step 2. Check project settings. Log into your Amplitude account and navigate to your project settings. Confirm that the project you are working on is the correct one and that the API key corresponds to that project. Step 3. Regenerate API key. If the API key seems correct but the issue persists, consider regenerating the API key. Go to your project settings in Amplitude and create a new API key, then update your application with the new key. Step 4. Review integration code. Examine the code where the API key is implemented. Make sure there are no typos or errors in the integration code that could lead to the API key being misread or incorrectly formatted. Step 5. Test the integration. After making the necessary changes, test the integration again. Send a sample request using the API key to ensure that it is now functioning correctly and that the error no longer appears. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the API key invalid error on Amplitude. If the issue continues, consider reaching out to Amplitude support for further assistance.